Hello, welcome back my channel Car Technology. So in this video I show you how to request oil maintenance request contact alert soon, or how to fake oil maintenance request with sit dealer. Okay, now let's get start to do with me. Okay, now on the combination method show the mistake oil maintenance request visit your dealer. Okay, now please can do by follow me step by step. Okay, now and go this. Okay, the back and then scroll to setting. Setting. Okay, and then scroll down and then in oil maintenance, enter and then click yes. Okay, now the data has been reset. Okay, the oil maintenance request has been reset complete. Okay, you can do follow me step by step. Thanks for watching in this my video. Good luck, see you on next video.